What if your wallpaper didn't just sit there looking pretty, but actually reacted the moment you touched your phone? A few months ago, early builds of One UI 8 quietly revealed the Galaxy S26 series wallpapers hiding in the system files. At the time, they were just static images, stylish, colorful, even hinting at the possible shades of the lineup, but they felt flat, like something unfinished. Now we're finally seeing the full vision. A new leak shared through Telegram by a source known as Project Chiper shows the lock screen editor clearly marked with one powerful word: interactive. And that changes everything. These aren't simple motion wallpapers. Samsung appears to be adding depth and responsiveness to the lock screen itself. The animation feels smooth and controlled. Touch the display or wake the phone, and the wallpaper subtly reacts, almost like it acknowledges your presence. Then the moment you unlock, everything gracefully settles into a clean, still home screen. No unnecessary motion, no distractions, just a refined transition that feels intentional and premium. It may sound like a small detail, but it's the very first thing you see every time you pick up your phone, and that moment sets the tone. And honestly, the purple version steals the show. Just days before launch, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is already showing signs of a fully polished flagship. These final leaks reveal way more than just small tweaks. We're talking new display tech, a possible privacy screen that sounds almost futuristic, performance upgrades, and some surprising design decisions. So grab a drink, sit back, and let's go through everything we know so far about the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. At first glance, the S26 lineup looks very similar to last year, but look closer and you'll notice subtle refinements. Leaks show a new camera plateau around the lenses, giving the phones a cleaner and more unified look, similar to recent foldable design language. Color options are expected to include white, black, sky blue, and the Ultra's hero color, cobalt violet. Samsung may also introduce exclusive online colors like silver shadow and pink gold. Interestingly, leaks suggest Samsung could drop titanium branding this year and move back to aluminum, likely to reduce weight. Speaking of weight, rumors say the base S26 could be extremely light, while the Ultra may get thinner at around 7.8 millimeters, making it feel sleeker in hand. Display upgrades look modest on the regular models, but huge on the Ultra. The base S26 may grow slightly to around 6.3 inches, thanks to thinner bezels, while the Plus stays around 6.7 inches. But the Ultra could introduce a new M14 OLED panel with massive brightness improvements, reportedly up to 2,600 nits globally and even higher in HDR highlights. Samsung is internally calling it the Everest display. But the real headline feature is something called Flex Magic Pixel, a built-in privacy screen. Imagine being able to hide notifications or sensitive content from side angles, or even apply privacy mode to only part of the screen. If this works as advertised, it could easily become the standout feature of the entire lineup. All models are expected to run the new Snapdragon flagship chip, likely a special 4 Galaxy version tuned for higher performance. In some regions, Samsung may use its own Exynos 2600 for the S26 and S26 Plus. Leaks point to 12 gigabytes of RAM standard, up to 16 gigabytes on the Ultra, base storage starting at 256 gigabytes. This could make the S26 Ultra one of the fastest Android phones ever released. The S26 and S26 Plus are expected to keep similar camera hardware to last year, solid but not revolutionary. The Ultra, however, may get brighter apertures on the main and periscope lenses, improving low-light shots and natural depth. We could also see a new 24-megapixel shooting mode and a new video codec designed to compete with Apple's ProRes, offering higher color depth with better efficiency. Battery upgrades look modest but meaningful. Rumors suggest around 4,300 mAh for S26, around 4,900 mAh for Plus,
possibly up to 5200 mAh for Ultra. Combined with a more efficient chip, real-world battery life should improve. Charging could jump closer to 60 watts, and Samsung may introduce a new magnetic wireless charging system, though magnets might still live in the case instead of the phone. Leaks also hint at satellite emergency connectivity, giving users a way to contact help without cellular signal. It's not a flashy feature, but it's incredibly important in real-world situations. Samsung has officially scheduled Unpacked for February 25th, and if history repeats, pre-orders should open immediately, with sales starting about a week or two later. Pricing is expected to stay similar to last year, around $799 for S26, around $999 for S26 Plus, and around $1,299 for Ultra, though some reports suggest small regional increases. If these leaks hold true, the Galaxy S26 lineup isn't about radical redesign, it's about refinement and smart upgrades. The Ultra especially feels like a power user's dream with its new display tech, performance boost, and privacy features. But remember, these are still leaks and nothing is final until Samsung makes it official on stage. So make sure you're subscribed because we'll be covering everything once the announcement drops.